Guys, you see our AR app here, right? We can see that here is our educational simulation block AR apps, right? So we will open it right now. This app will be open it by Unity, right? So in Android phone, so we open it now. So the app is opening and we are going to our target image right now. So this is our target image. Okay, it can, if I move it from somewhere else and coming, so it is changes, right? So let's go to another one. So this was another one out. So this also been detected by our app. Okay, and if we zoom out this one, it can do the multiple things at the same time. Okay, it can detect multiple things at the same time. Okay, so if we go there and come here over here, sorry for this, so it can detect multiple image at the same time, and the video is been in the background. Okay, so we can see that our output is the same as below over here, right? The same output that we are trying to get. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's it for this video, I guess. So our camera can detect multiple image. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.